I got some junk probably back here in my house, in my garage, you name it. We could probably find something to something to sell and make some money from. All right, checking in this morning in Metropolis, we've got a few clouds overhead, maybe even a few snow flurries flying in some of our northern counties this morning. No, we are not anticipating anything in the way of accumulating snow, but right now outside it is cold. No matter where you are, 22 degrees currently in Metropolis. You get a little further to the north, and we do have a lot of actual temperatures back into the teens. Wind chills right now, Metropolis with an east wind, feeling like 18 degrees, but it is one of the coldest mornings of the week. We are expecting some sunshine, and winds starting to turn back out of the south this afternoon will push temperatures close to average for the middle of February. As we look ahead to Tuesday and Wednesday, though, our two warmest days, where we do expect readings near 60 Tuesday, into the 60s on a Wednesday. It's out of our head of our next big storm system, though. That arrives on Thursday, brings us a lot of wet weather, potentially even a chance for a few strong storms, in addition to a brief switch over to some winter weather as well by Thursday night. Right now outside, a lot of teens. So Carbondale at 19. We've got Harrisburg at 18. Mount Vernon, you're also at 18 degrees. 24 currently in Paducah, 19 at this hour in Union City, Tennessee. And once again, if you pull up your Storm Track 3 app, you may see what looks like some snow flying on radar right now. And our radar's picking that up as well through parts of Perry and Jefferson County. Could see some snow flurries. There's still a lot of dry air down here at the ground level, so a lot of this is evaporating as it actually falls out of the clouds. Now, we will see the clouds clear out of here by this afternoon. It really turns out to be a pretty nice day. Temperatures lower 40s east of I-57 and I-24 from Mount Vernon to McLeansboro to Ridgeway, Shawneetown, Equality, say southward to Rosiclare, and up to about 45 this afternoon into Golconda. Metropolis at 46, Cairo at 47. Meanwhile, about 46 as well into Carbondale and Pinckneyville today. Upper 40s across much of western Kentucky. A little cooler, say east of the Land Between the Lakes area. Princeton over, say, towards Marion, Kentucky at 45. Meanwhile, Benton, Kentucky at 48 today. Martin, Tennessee at 52 this afternoon, and some lower 50s as well back into the Missouri Ozarks. A little cooler farther to the east along I-55, where we do expect a lot of readings into the upper 40s. All right, here's our big system that we're tracking this week. It is just now making its way onto the west coast, and west coast system is going to dive to the south over the coming days and then make its way into the central U.S. towards Thursday. That's when we expect the biggest impacts locally. There's still some question on the exact storm track here as it makes its way close to our region, but right now this looks like it is going to primarily be rain for our area, possibly even a few stronger storms, especially if the storm track ends up a little farther to the north. If we see this trend a little farther to the south, though, it could bring some better chances for a little winter weather into our region. Right now, most of the winter weather expected to stay just to our north and our west. The Storm Prediction Center highlighting some of our far southern counties. Once again, the Missouri, Boot Hill, Northwest Tennessee, and a risk that we could see an isolated strong storm or two. I still think the main risk for severe weather will likely stay south of us. Now, that being said, we do expect some very heavy rainfall. In fact, we're expecting about 1 to 3 inches of rain as a good possibility. Once again, most of that is going to fall through the day on Thursday, and then it's followed by another big cool down as well towards the end of this week. Make sure you've got that Storm Track 3 app, staying up to date for the latest forecast. Once again, our averages this week, 27 in the morning to 47 during the afternoon, 46 today, so close to those averages. Now tomorrow, we're going to be back above that, especially in the afternoon. 59 degrees on Tuesday, 60s return on Wednesday, and then falling temperatures as that system passes by, drags a lot more cooler air southward. By Friday morning, we're back in the teens, afternoon highs in the upper 30s, bouncing back into the 40s on Saturday, and then back into the 50s towards the end of the weekend, and then looking ahead to the early part of next week. Now that's what we're talking about right there. President's Day comes in here next Monday, and high temperatures into the lower 60s. Yeah, our producer's saying woohoo in our head too. Yeah, watch this system on Thursday. Again, really depends on exactly where the storm track goes. Strong system farther to the north brings better chances for strong storms. Farther to the south could bring some winter weather our way.
Ooh.
Thank you, Nick.